Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Those of you who are Onpassivians, today I'll be showing you how to use AI to transform your video or transform your picture to videos. Okay, and this is a very good practice. The reason I'm bringing this to you is because I am presuming, okay, I'm not saying that Ash said or anybody said, but I am presuming or I am looking further and I'm seeing that we might have such products. And if we have such products, then we have to start learning how to use some of these products to start building our capacity, our skills. I am also learning as well. AI is new, but if you want to start using AI, you have to start learning how to use it practically. So I'll be introducing you to a system. It's just, I have a free code on the comment section. If you want to be part of this system, please use that code to register. They'll give you 3 days of free trial. You can generate videos as many as you want, but of course you can subscribe in the system if you like. Make sure you have your Gmail account you use to subscribe into this system. The main goal, like I said, is for us to start learning how to use AI in other platforms. I have said this many times. Onpassive has no enemies and we have no friends. You must that's business. So if we can use other platforms to start promoting our business, we can use other platforms to start learning in order to use the same skill into Onpassive. That is what I suggest, and that is what I am proposing to you if you're an Onpassive founder or leader. Of course, many of you complain that you don't know IT, you are not good with IT. That is not an excuse at this time. AI has come to make things easy. All you need is to make simple prompts. I'll be doing those prompts now. You will see how I use pictures. Just upload the picture and then you allow AI to do the work. It's very, very important, guys. Let's start learning these things and move further. So right here, these are some of the videos and pictures that we are going to be turning to videos. Okay, so I have this picture with me, I have this other picture with me, I have this one with me, I have which one again, I have this one with me, and then I have this picture with me. Okay, so these are the pictures that we are going to be turning to videos. Let's go now to the platform. So when you open this platform, it's called Video platform. You would see all this. These are videos that were created by other people. Okay, so I have bought a space here, I think for 5,000 francs. I think that's a few dollars. So here you will see the different options that we have here. So you have here reference to video, image to video, text to video. So today we are going to be doing video to image to video. Okay, so I'm going to click this option. Now once I click that option, it brings me up here. It opens up this other panel here, and it's so amazing, guys. All I need is just a prompt. So I'll choose this option here that says image to video. So we'll be looking at other videos where we are going to be looking at text to video. So today let's really explore the image to video so you can really understand what I mean. So I'll just come here, I'll click here, and then it opens up my system. And then let's say I want to take this video, okay, this picture, sorry, that picture. I'll put in that picture. It's loading in. You see the picture is uploading. So when the picture uploads, there's a small prompt here that says based on this image, describe the content you want to generate. Okay, so I'll just say sell Onpassive to other affiliates. Okay, to others affiliate. Okay, so now when I do this, I'm going to come down here. You see, so it said video 1, video 2. So I'll choose this option. So you have video 5. So these are different upgrade, different systems. So they say this one is clear visual quality, faster generation speed, etc. Okay, so let's choose clear visual quality. So we are going to be using each video and choosing each of these options. Okay, so we want it to be 5 seconds. So the default option here is 5 seconds, and we want it to be creative. It can be stable. We want it to be creative, and then also we bring another option. We want it to be auto or small. Let me make it small and see how this looks. Okay, remember we are learning. And then I'll come here now and just click my create. That's all, guys. That's all. And I can go and get my coffee. While I'm taking my coffee, AI is doing the job for me. Okay, so let's see what AI brings. That's all, guys. As simple as this. Yes, as simple as this. So you don't need to have a technology background, etc. That's all. Yes, so here you see what is happening. That's my picture, guys. You see what AI does. So you see me there. Let me make this. You see, that's my picture. You see. So now I can decide to put a statement at the background. Okay, and here I can just come here and I click and you see without watermark and I download. So it's right here. So I can come up here to my download and I double click, and then it opens up to my browser or to my desktop, sorry, and then here I can save this on my machine and I use this for an advertisement or I use this for a video creation. You see, so this is it. So this is how I create my videos, guys, and I put them together. Okay, you see, that's it. So let's check and see how the other images will perform. So we'll come to this system again and we go to image here, and then we select this image. I love this image, and we bring it in. So it's still loading as well, and while it is loading we'll be writing our prompt here. We'll just say advertise on passive. Okay, and that's it. Once we do that, we still come here and we click. Now we want to use video 2. Remember we used 1 previously, and here now we want to use, here now it gives us 4 seconds, 8 seconds, and then here now we want to do medium. Okay, we want to do medium. Okay, remember previously we used video 1 and then we used 5 seconds and then we use small. Now we have used medium, 8 seconds and then 720 p there. Now we can move now to do and to create. Okay, now we click create again, and then when you click create, this is the first image we created. This other one is generating up here. So you can go now and eat your eba. If you are from Nigeria, you can start eating your eba and your soup. If you are from Cameroon, you can be eating your gari and arrow and leave your machine while AI is doing the work for you. Okay, so that is AI for you. Let's see what it creates. You see, that's it. You see, whoa, you see the movement of our image. So just imagine that I blend the first image and this one, and then I give a nice communication behind the scene, and then you see that there will be a very amazing flow. You see, that's it, guys. Okay, that's it. So we'll come again, guys. We select another image. Let us select this image. I want us to select this image where I have my, this is a flyers that I just created, just a very basic flyers, not really nice, but I mean it's just something I created very quick. CC advertise, I'll CC advertise Onpassive, and then here now I'll put video 515, and then here now we see that it's still 8 seconds, and then here now I'll put large. Okay, I'll put large, and then I'll still write advertise Onpassive very briefly, and then we have it here. Remember, if you want, this is how I remove the pictures. I can click here and I remove that. Okay, so now I'm going to click create. So when I click create again, you see that the last two that I created is here, and then this one is here. Remember that we can upload by coming here. You who have not, who will be using the free version, if you come here, you are going to upload that, and then you still have it. So this one is in queue, still uploading, and we'll just give it some time to upload, and we see how it looks. Whoa, guys! So you see guys, see what happens. So you see, guys, see what happens. So I can come here again, and then I change this to video 10, and then I put standard, and then I come here again and I recreate. You see, I can change the different option because I want to see a different style of it, and then I come here now and I put recreate. Okay, so I either recreate it from here or here. So I want to recreate it. Maybe I am not happy with what I'm seeing, I want to redo it. You see what is happening there. I can even make this full screen, so you see what is happening on my full screen, right? So you can imagine this, guys. This is what AI can do, and this is even the lower version that I'm using. Just imagine that we use the higher version. Just imagine what can happen. So this is just some of the few tips I wanted to show you so far as AI is concerned. So in our next video, we are going to be turning text, just writing a text, and then it generates something for you. So we are going to be doing that and posting on Newsemo Text. So keep following us, guys, and please learn these skills what I'm seeing is that Onpassive will be coming for more, with more. So if I click up here as well, it shows me different options. Remember that you have to use my code. If you use this code, you are going to have your invite will be 3 days free standard trial, and then both invitee and invitee will have 100 credit, and if the invitee subscribe to standard plan, both parties receive 300. So these are the different options that you'll be having. I'm going to copy this invite link, and I put it on the comment section. Please do well to use it and start enjoying your video platform. See you next time.